Tali! Tali! Where is Tali? Hey! Hey! This is Tali. We changed his name and from Taliban we named him Tali. His wound is recovering really fast, as you see. He's a happy boy. More than 8-9 years old. He must be about 9.5, 10. The wound is recovering fast. He's very happy, as you see. And Julia, more than 10 years old. She must be 11, 12, I think. I'm not sure. I can't be sure. Julia. Hey, Julia. They are very happy here in their own area now. It's warm and they are relaxing under the trees. They have their food, water, blankets, neighbors. Julia, come. Tali. Julia. It's a very peaceful place for Julia and for Tali. They are old and they deserve a peaceful place for the rest of their lives. Julia. Tali, come. Tali is checking Charlie. This is Charlie, Tali. Tali, he's happy. He's happy to meet other dogs, as you see. Ella, Charlie, come. He has a happy tail. Oh, bless him. Tali, you're a happy boy, yeah? Hey, Tali. Bless him. Oh, he wants to make friends. Maybe I will find some other dogs to bring here for him and for Julia. Oh, Tali wants to make more friends. And he's marking his area also. Charlie will do the same. Thank you, guys. Hey, Tali, you lovely guy. Gray hair. And the happy tail. Julia, so cute old lady. Peaceful place for them.